Perceived warmth and competence are two fundamental dimensions of social cognition that affect human judgment in decision-making scenarios. Between the two, people prioritize warmth over competence. Others' inclination to help or harm matters more than their capabilities and competence. This study investigates how agent warmth influences adoption of agent recommendation and the satisfaction of the users. We consider a multi-arm bandit scenario where 6 arms represent different investment options. An agent assists the user with selection of investment option by providing recommendations. The user pulls arms or selects investment options for a known finite number of times while the agent recommends which arm to pull. For each pull, a utility is returned which represents the return of investment from the chosen option. To pull an arm, first the user points out her intention. Then the agent recommends an arm with an explanation, following which the user makes her final selection. After the user pulls an arm, the agent provides feedback about the recent arm pulled based on the reward obtained. In MAB scenarios, previous studies primarily focus on agents' recommendation without incorporating text explanation. Our research expands on these existing studies by introducing text explanation into the agent's recommendation, so that a richer, more informative collaboration between human and the agent can be achieved, and is expected to increase performance. By incorporating text explanation, we seek to offer additional context and rationale behind the agent's recommendation, potentially aiding the human participant in their decision-making process. To differentiate between warm agent and cold agent, our team focused on the language the agents used in their explanation. The goal was to have the warm agent sound more friendly, trustworthy, and emotionally relatable than the cold agent. To make an agent appear warmer, we used features established in literature to increase perceived warmth. These features included using more community-focused pronouns such as you or us, which established a sense of teamwork for the human working with the agent. Conversely, the cold agent utilized more self-focused pronouns such as I, me, and my. In addition to avoiding usage of complements and positive terminology, it implemented a mild threat pattern such as if-then clause to emphasize possible consequence that may occur if the user does not take heed to the agent's advice. The agent chooses the arm by using human-in-the-loop learner Hill algorithm to recommend as follows. If the user's intention arm I has not been pulled yet, this intended arm is recommended. Else, if there is an arm that has not been pulled earlier and has been recommended less than twice, the agent recommends one of such arms. Else, the recommended arm is chosen based on horizon-aware upper bound UCB. Horizon-aware UCB increases the weight of the exploitation linearly towards the horizon. The investment game consists of 30 episodes and 6 arms. Each arm represents an investment option. The user selects an investment option in each episode. There is an agent assisting the user for selection of options. Basically, the agent recommends an investment option by providing an explanation. There are 2 types of agents based on the language used in the explanation, warm or cold.